My dear students of class 6. So in the last class we discussed that the king summoned the new governor or that shepherd because the other governors complained against him, and the king summoned him and wanted to check his iron chest. Then he showed that iron chest contained nothing but an old blanket, right? Then what did he reply? That we will see today. Then the king asked, "But why do you carry such an ordinary blanket with you?" The king asked. Means why he carried such an simple blanket with him. "Surely you are the governor of his district," the king asked. The king asked, certainly, definitely, he was the governor of a district. To which the shepherd replied with quite dignity, quite respect, self-respect. He replied, "This blanket is my oldest friend." That blanket was his oldest friend. "And it will still protect me if at any time your majesty should wish to take away my new clothes." And he said, that blanket should protect him if at any moment the king's royal power wished to take away, to snatch away his new power or his new cloak that he was rewarded, to become the governor of a new province, new district. But if the king takes away, then what will happen? Then that time that old cloak will help him. How pleased the king was. The king was very pleased. And how embarrassed the jealous governor became to hear the wise man's reply. And the other jealous governors, they were very much ashamed, embarrassed to hear when they heard the wise man's reply. Now they knew that the shepherd was indeed the humblest and the wisest man in the land. And now they understood that the shepherd was indeed, surely, the humblest, means modest, very gentle, and the wisest, knowledgeable man in that land. The king made him the governor of a much bigger district that very day. The king made him the governor of much bigger district on that very day. That's all. It is adapted from an Iranian folktale. Okay. The question: the shepherd hadn't been to school because he was very poor. There was very few schools in those days, and he wasn't interested in studies. Which one? You know. Who visited the shepherd one day and why? Who was the shepherd? The king, in disguise of a shepherd, visited that shepherd one day to check, to prove, or to check his knowledge and how modest he was. Why did the other governors grow jealous of the shepherd? You know. Why was the new governor called to the palace? Because they complained against him. Why was everyone delighted to see the iron chest on the camel's back? Because they complained about that, right? What did the iron chest contain? Old blanket. Why did the shepherd always carry it? Because you know. What did he explain? And is it an example of a shepherd's humility or wisdom, or both? Definitely this is the example of wisdom, not humility. How did the king reward the new governor? Yes, last line, made him the governor of a much bigger district. That's all. Thank you.